them slide off this waterfall.
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let go. Can I get that?
Hi everyone, Toys Academy here. Today we have 6 water pets. 5 of them are wind-up and 1 is motorized. Okay, let's open it up. What do we have?
We got 2 orange striped clownfish, 1 green alligator, 2 turtles, which 1 is purple and 1 is green, and 1 blue shark. In this one, we got batteries in this because it's self-motorized. See, 2 batteries.
Are you ready to play?
Yeah!
Let's play the wind-up water pets first. Since there's 3 of you, let's do the alligator and 2 turtles.
Okay.
You go. Wind it up, guys.
Yay.
Okay.
I'm stopping. I'm ready.
You ready?
Not yet.
Oh my gosh, what's happening? Oh, yes.
Gotta crank it to the fullest.
What happened to the alligator so slow? Come on.
Ready?
Ready? Okay.
Go.
Ready? Get set. Go.
Oh my gosh, what's wrong? It seems like... Oh, wait.
They're like kissing each other.
Why is mine upside down?
Yeah. Can you turn? Can you turn it up?
What? The turtles are not
I
that
think
strong.
no.
I think the feet are...
Whoa, we're going down. Folks.
Going upside down.
I don't know why, but I'm still going down.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, we're just in the corner. It's like a party corner. It's like a corner
I
party.
think I'm going down again.
Okay.
Maybe that's how alligators swim. They go down.
Pretty sure they don't lie on their back.
I don't know this. I don't know. I don't know.
It looks so cute. Look at that. Look at that.
Why? Why? Oh, get it! Get it! Get it! Oh my gosh.
Oh, now it's not turning out.
No, no! The king got this. Oh my god!
Released.
It's going! Go! Just go!
And still going back.
Oh no. Oh no. Where's mine? Mine is going crazy. Mine is going crazy. Mine is going crazy. Going. Let's go. I can't see. I see.
It's finally working.
Yeah, it's working.
This is getting me scared. Oh no, mine is.
No, alligator's fast. Look.
Hey, let's
Swims
have a
fast.
I didn't know that.
Ooh, I'm making it.
Whoever
Okay, now time for the 2 more wind-up. The shark and the clownfish.
Yeah. There's 2 clownfishes.
Who's faster?
Alright.
Oops. Oops.
Mine is getting.
Cranking it to the fullest.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Three. No, not that one. 3,
Go.
2, 1, go! Yeah!
Hey, what happened to Nemo?
Got tired already.
Nemo is...
Why is mine going so slow? I'm pretty sure Nemo's not balanced. Well, that's mine. I'm
Where's
done.
the shark?
Don't- Right next to the purple.
Oh.
Oh, the turtle.
Yeah, we're already out. Who's gonna take? Hey,
Why Nemo's not swimming? What's wrong with Nemo?
I think he's not that lined up that much. Look at it.
this is hard to wind
I
up
think
actually.
the shark is going hard as he can.
Yeah, that one's hard.
Okay, Nemo's swimming now.
Oh no, they're both done. The purple turtle's not.
Okay, let's see what this motorized clownfish can do.
Okay.
Okay?
I bet.
So
this could-
how to play with that one?
So how to turn it on? This is how you close it. You just go like switch it on here. And then how you turn it on, you put it in the middle.
Okay.
She means make the head straight and it'll turn on the fan.
Yeah.
This will change the direction of how it swims.
Yeah.
So let's see how it goes straight.
Ah, it's going
Oh, it's fast.
fast. Get it!
What? Oh,
Get it! Get it! Get it!
see some loop-de-loops.
Okay.
Ooh, that's cool.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
make it go in circles.
Yes, that's cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Let's put it in the deep end.
Go, go.
Why does it keep it going here?
I don't know.
Well,
Go
Like
everywhere.
twirl, twirl.
Like a ballerina.
Yeah.
It's going to get deeper and deeper now. That's not deeper. It's going in the same place. Yeah, get out. Stop it! Alligator! Get it out of the
let's
way!
see how this alligator can go.
Okay, turn on all the water pets. Wind up all the water pets.
Okay. Really?
Don't release them.
My gosh. Get it. He's gonna get Nemo. I'm gonna get Nemo.
Did you say Nemo?
Nemo. Here.
Oh.
Why is the alligator moving right now? It puts me no on it. Somebody get the alligator. What up? Why aren't they doing? Okay, Nemo's gonna be. Where's the water inside?
I think it's obvious who's the fastest.
I know which one is the fastest. Yes, this is the best one. Hi, turtle.
Dolphin dive.
Dive.
And touching a wall.
Okay, time to play with the toys. Go
Yay.
swim with them.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.
Go.